Well, Kerr Henderson, we're based in Belfast. We're a group of financial services companies. We're independently owned, locally owned. Been going almost 50 years. It founded in 1962. Provide a number of different financial services, including personal financial planning, general insurance services, actuarial consultancy, and sort of helping people administer pension schemes. We've 75 plus staff, I'd say, based in Belfast, but with clients throughout the UK. I'm the IT manager. I've been in the role for about the last 18 months. I suppose IT for any business is vitally important. It helps us remain competitive. IT is there to support the business. It is there to ensure that everybody who works in the business is able to do their job and do their job effectively. As a company, we've invested quite a lot in technology over the years and feel it's vital to help everybody do their work efficiently. I think we face the same challenges that any other businesses face. First of all, we need to remain competitive. We need to make sure that anything we put in place is cost effective. We have a few additional challenges working in financial services in that we're very tightly regulated. So everything we do needs to have a very clear audit trail, and IT helps us meet our legal and regulatory requirements. The key driver is, I think, that the technology needed to be refreshed. It had been servers needed replaced. They were of a certain age. Server storage that they need to be replaced. We were looking at replacing 10 to 15 servers and replacing a storage solution that was no longer fit for purpose. So we looked at a few different solutions, and virtualization, the virtualization technology just seemed to jump out at us. Well, first of all, we wanted something that would grow with us. We were going to invest quite heavily in technology. We wanted to make sure that technology infrastructure that we invested in was still valid in 3 to 5 years' time. It needed to fit our requirements for disaster recovery. Business continuity is such a big part of our business. When we're pitching for tenders, any sort of work, business continuity is a massive, and we need to show and be able to demonstrate that any solution we have in place, we can recover from any disaster situation. Go on with a Microsoft clustered Hyper-V environment, using at its core 3 HP ProLiant servers, backed up with a HP P2000 SAN and an iSCSI storage area network. On top of that, we're using a HP ProLiant server in our disaster recovery site, and everything is backed up and everything is replicated across a 10 meg connection to our disaster recovery site. Tried and trusted. We were replacing existing HP and even Compaq equipment, going back a bit further, and it has stood the test of time. It's a trusted brand. You go in any data center and you look through the racks, and they're typically HP ProLiant servers that are in there. It brought a lot of obvious experience. They weren't trying to oversell a solution. They tailored a solution that did meet our needs without going overboard. We didn't need the massive SAN for our solution. We didn't need 5 or 6 servers. They just kept it nice and simple. Didn't oversell it, and just came with obvious experience in the field. Also, it gives us the opportunity to future-proof the infrastructure for the next few years. From an IT point of view, it gives me the capability to trial and test and develop different systems. Previously, if you wanted to test a piece of software, test a piece of technology, you have to go out and buy a server, load that onto the server, and it took time, it took money. Very quickly now we can spin up a VM in minutes. It's a platform. This platform allows us to add to it, and I mean already we're looking at pilot project using Microsoft SharePoint, which is something that the virtualization platform has allowed us to go ahead and do, because we were very quickly able to bring up a SharePoint machine and get playing with it.